Hi guys, my name is Cherry, for short, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you the project that I did last month, and I call it I Return, You Earn Charity Project. This is to support the victims of Typhoon Ulysses in the Philippines. So how does it work? Return eligible container and earn. One eligible container is equivalent to 10 cents. Example, if I collected and returned 100 eligible containers, you will earn 10 Australian dollars. If Australian dollars is equivalent to 34 pesos for the exchange rate, then the $10 you earn will be worth 3,400 pesos already. Now, what is the target? Collect as many containers as you can. What's next? The total number that I have returned and earned will be distributed evenly to the following: JCI, Iloilo, Ilang-Ilang, and Bangon Tayo, Philippines. And hopefully guys, you enjoyed this video and this give inspiration to you to help other people, to help our communities, and spread, positive vibes and happiness. Hi guys! It's me again! So for today, magko-collect tayo ng bottles. Here with me is my brother. Hiniram ko yung camera niya. Kasi magpa-shoutout. So if there's a link below in the descriptions in my video. So paki-subscribe na rin. Alam mo na, nang hihingi ng help.
Yo!
Let's do this! Okay, so ito yung mga na-collect kong bottles, mga containers na pwede nating i-return. Merong plastic bottles, saka glass bottles. So, I didn't collect this my own. Tinulungan rin ako ng friends ko, even my brother. So, minsan nagdadala siya ng mga bote dito para sa return and earn. Yan. Okay? So, yan. So, ito po, yan, naubos to ng kapatid ko. So,
wow!
Here are some glass bottles na na-collect din namin na pwede namin i-return and earn. Ingay, di ba?
Ginagawa mo!
Nag-return na kami ng bote. Here we go. Very supportive yung brother ko. Tutulungan niya ako mag-return ng bote kasi hindi ko kaya lahat. Ang dami. No, sobrang dami. So, mainit ngayon. Kaya siya nakapayong. At nakahat. Kasi sobrang init talaga at ang tindi ng araw dito sa Australia.
Ginagawa mo!
And at the same time, ang windy. Sobrang windy. Kaya yung mata ko ganito. No? Ang windy, di ba? Flip my hair. Flip my hair. Oh!
LOL!
Dito na kami! Yay! Return and learning!
LOL!
Hi guys, so we have returned 73 bottles and that's $7.50. Okay guys, we're just waiting for the guy to come here. Dito lang ako sa store. So, ang init, grabe. Pulang-pula na ako. Rosy cheeks. Charot! Yay!
LOL!
Tayo sa bahay and lagay na natin tong nakuha nating $5, $7.30. So, meron akong lagayan. Yun yung kapatid ko. So, kung magsusubscribe kayo sa channel niya, magdalawang isip na kayo kung magsusubscribe kayo kasi so, di ba? So, wag na kayo mag-subscribe sa channel niya.
Hey guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm more famous.
LOL!
Anyway, ito yung jar ko where I put all the earnings from that return and earn project. So, yeah, mamaya bibilangin natin kung magkano na lahat ito. Ay, sobrang init talaga. Ay, nako. Ayan, okay. Ang dami na, ang bigat. Yay! So guys, magre-refresh lang ako, tsaka kakain ako, okay? Kasi sobrang, parang basang sisi mo. Sobrang init kasi dito ngayon. So, magre-refresh lang ako, kain lang ako, ganyan. Pepper-ganda lang ako. Tapos, nag-count tayo ng earnings natin dun sa jar. Okay? Para yun yung gagamitin natin for the CHErity project.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, I'm back. I'm fresh. Parang walang nagbago. Anyway, let's continue. And then may dala rin akong water para hindi ma-dry yung throat ko. Alam niyo na, mainit. So, kailangan na may tubig tayo. Drink your water, che. So, buksan na natin tong jar na to para mag-count na tayo ng ating total earnings para sa ating charity project. So, let's go. Tadan! It's empty! See? Okay. Okay, let's start! Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So, yun. $50 worth yung $5 notes natin. $50 na yun, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Bago tayo mag-start, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung coins dito. So, merong 50 cents. Yan. So, 50 cents yan. And then, merong 20 cents. Yan. Kung i-compare mo siya sa 50 cents, medyo mas malaki yung 50 cents kaysa yung 20 in terms of size. And then, this is 20 cents and this is 10 cents. Yan. Make sense? Okay, and then ito yung pinaka-smallest coin nila in terms of the silver coin. Yan, 5 cents. Ayaw kasi mag-focus eh. 5 cents. Yan yung 5 cents. Yan. And then, meron silang 2 gold coins na $1 and $2. So, in terms of size, mas malaki yung $1 gold coin kaysa sa $2 gold coin. Pero, syempre, mas mataas yung value nito. Yung $2 gold coin. Sinukumpara ko, diba? Yan! So, let's do it!
Years later.
So, natapos na natin siya bilangin. I-summarize na natin siya. So, meron tayo ditong 29 pieces of 20 cents. So that's a total of $5.80. And sa 50 cents, meron tayong 16 pieces of 50 cents. So that's equal to $8. Okay, $8 siya. $8. That's 23 pieces of 10 cents. So that's $2.30. And in $2, meron tayong 17 pieces of $2. So that's a total of $34. For $1 coins, meron tayong total of $13. And then for 5 cents, meron tayong 14 pieces of 5 cents. So that's a total of 70 cents. Okay? And for our $5, kanina, bili lang natin siya. That's 10 pieces of $5. So that's a total of $15. So overall, meron tayong total of $113.80. Ang exchange rate ngayon ay 34 pesos and 75 cents. So in $1, that's equivalent to 34 pesos 75 cents. So dahil meron tayong total of $113.80, convert natin sa pesos yon, is equivalent to 3,954 pesos and 55 cents. So guys, the I Return, You Earn Charity project was a very, very successful project. From January to November 20, we've collected a total number of 1,138 eligible containers, and we've earned a total of $113.80. And we have donated a total of 3,945 pesos and 55 cents. So I've just added a little amount so I can evenly distribute it to JCI, Iloilo, Ilang-Ilang, and Bangon Tayo Philippines or Bangon Tayo PH, 2,000 pesos each. I hope this video gives you more inspiration to help other people and help our communities, and I'll be doing more of this charity project. So thank you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.